Hi, welcome back. I don't think I'll ever stop carrying on my belt line. It's quick, it's convenient, and it's where I put in most of my practice. But different situations call for different techniques and different equipment.
And I can do loop-de-loops.
If I'm at a lake or even hiking with gear on my belt, I'll sometimes reach for a bag. Today, I'll be sharing tips on carrying inside a bag and showing you the G series of bags from Falco Holsters. Which situations warrant carrying in a bag? For me, it's any time I'm not using my usual daily wear. Usual clothes, my usual equipment. If I have to step outside of that, that's when a bag may become useful. I'm always wearing a belt and a shirt, but summers get hot and sometimes you just gotta take a But summers are hot and I need to take a dip from time to time. Heading to the water means swimsuits, and these are generally not designed for carrying concealed objects. Other than your injuries, physical limitations, or sometimes just flat out comfort are all reasons why you might want to carry in a bag. I will say I do avoid off-body carry whenever possible. The core thing here is you always have to maintain control of your firearm. You can't be leaving your bag in the corner by the front door or losing your gun because you left your bag somewhere in public. However, this aspect of off-body carry can easily be overcome with training and some added awareness. One very simple solution to these problems is an over-the-shoulder bag. This is the G101 Large Tactical Gun Bag. The adjustable strap goes across your body and has several compartments. The main compartment is dedicated to your firearm, making sure other items don't interfere with your draw or fall out during the action. Dude, nailed him. The G series bags all line the main compartment with Velcro for mounting holsters or accessories. If you have a holster you love that isn't Velcro backed, you can try using Falco's X8 holster attachment system. My holster clips onto the strap and the clip runs over the strap just like it would with a belt. This creates a very secure hold on that holster. On the topic of security, one struggle that I have with an over-the-shoulder bag is bending over or moving throughout your day, it may roll off of your shoulder. The last thing I need after deploying my firearm in public is a bag that's dangling around my neck getting in the way. The G101 actually has a belt loop attachment, which keeps it very secure and tight to your body. Carrying in a bag has some distinct advantages depending on the type of situation you're in.
Oh, too much water. Stop, sir! That's my private parts!
The first one that comes to mind for me is civil unrest. If you find yourself in the middle of a crowd that's beginning to boil over, the bag allows you to cut out a good amount of your draw time before anything even pops off. I can have my hand inside this bag, grip established, ready to go should a problem arise, but it still remains concealed. Anyone who's paying attention obviously is gonna know why I'm running around with my hand in my bag, but typically the target focus is going in one direction. The G210 has a sleek and simple design, which I would say is better suited for urban environments. I wouldn't say that either of these bags is better than the other, but part of concealment is blending in with the general population. In a urban city center where there's people walking around with laptops, the 210 really stands out to me as something that would make you look more like the people around you. To me, this one reads young professional. The 210 also has a Velcro lined main compartment, as well as a few more to help you hold all of your crap. A bag allows you a lot of flexibility. As with all methods of carry, this may not work for you. But if you're a man who loves purses, then you're probably good to go. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and we'll see you around.